Gifting stocks might sound complicated, but with apps like Stash, it's actually pretty simple. Whether you're trying to spark someone's interest in investing or want to give a more meaningful present that can cash or a gift card, sending a stock gift through Stash is a thoughtful and modern option. To get started, you'll need a Stash account if you already have one. Open the app and log in from the home screen, navigate to the gifting section. This might show up under a menu or as a button labeled something like gift stocks. Tap on that to begin the process. Next, choose the stock you want to gift. You can search from hundreds of companies or ETFs available on Stash, whether it's a tech stock like Apple, a consumer favorite like Nike, or a clean energy ETF. You can pick something meaningful to the person you're gifting it to. You don't have to gift a full share either. Stash lets you get fractional shares so you can choose an amount that fits your budget. Once you have selected a stock, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's email address. The person receiving the gift doesn't need to have a Stash account already. They'll get an email letting them know about your gift and instructions and to claim it by signing up or logging in. If they're under 18, a parent or a guardian will need to help them set up a custodial account. Before you hit send, you can even add a personalized message. Something as simple as saw this and thought of your future can make your gift feel more special and intentional. Then just confirm the details and send it off. That's it. The recipient will be notified and can claim the stock right from their device. Keep in mind the gifted amount may have a tax implications for the receiver if the value grows significantly, but for most small or casual gifts, it's a smart and meaningful way to help someone start building wealth. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit like and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Got questions or want to learn about other platforms? Drop them in the comments, and I'm always here to help.